Hi, my name is Tanushka Sengar. My enrollment number is BTEO 2401049.
Hi, my name is Karenika Chetri and my roll number is BTEO 2401038.
And our project title is
IoT enabled river water quality monitoring system using AI analysis. Water pollution poses serious risk to human health and ecosystem. So traditional monitoring system takes a lot of time and it lacks real-time insight. So we have taken samples from Narmada River. We have taken 3 samples, and this project presents an IoT-based river water quality monitoring system using sensor to track turbidity, temperature, and dissolved oxygen.
So basically, this project presents an IoT-enabled river water quality monitoring system integrated with AI-based algorithms and AI-based analysis. Sensors here measure key parameters like TDS, total dissolved solid, turbidity, and temperature, and then they send that real-time data via a microcontroller such as ESP32 or Node MCU to a cloud platform. AI algorithms analyze the data to detect anomalies and generate warnings, also predict pollution trends. Then the system enables continuous low-cost monitoring, reduces manual effort and supports timely decision making for effective water resource management. So now we'll show you what all components we are using in our project and how our project works. So basically, we are using 3 sensors here. TDS sensor, which measures total dissolved solids, turbidity sensor, which basically measures the water clarity, and here we are using temperature sensor, which will obviously measure the temperature of the water. And for the microcontroller in this project we are using Node MCU. So this is the code of our project. This will run the real-time data to the server. This will basically send the real-time data from the sensor to the cloud. Here is the folder structure. This is all the folder structure of a project. And now I'll show you the real-time dashboard where all the values will be displayed. So this is our real-time dashboard, water quality monitoring dashboard. Here all the calculated values are shown in.
So the features of this project are real-time monitoring, data analysis and visualization, alert system, automation, multiple sensor integration, and so on.
So the proposed IoT and AI-based system offers a smart and efficient solution for river water quality monitoring. It ensures real-time data, early detection of pollution, and improved decision making. So this approach reduces dependency on traditional methods. It is fast, not very time consuming as our traditional methods, and can be scaled for wider environmental monitoring, contributing to better water resource management and sustainability.